I don't understand why you don't ever listen to me, Harry.
Because I'm still alive.
Oh, that's right.
It'd be questionable if I listened to you.
You just want to continue that way, I
That's
guess.
right.
Recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Me and Harry's out doing some back roading. And I already made one video because I don't want to make them too long. Some people like to cry about it. But I try to make them interesting, and it's hard to make an interesting video in 10 minutes to have much content. And I'm not one to like to cut my videos all to pieces to take everything out.
Is this it?
Nope, keep going.
Keep going.
You'll see it. It's a numbered
Right.
road.
It's a numbered road. Okay.
Yeah.
I was just looking at any trail.
Oh no. I've been on them, but it's been a long time.
Yeah, we ain't got time to go too far on some of those.
No. That's why I figured we'll take this one to the right. It goes back down to the lake, and then we'll have to be heading back by the time we go to that one.
What sun's a booger? Hit your eyes.
I'm trying to keep you from getting in the doghouse.
Oh,
Being gone too long, you know.
Yeah, you ought to take care of me. I won't be to come out and play.
I always have to go up to Harry's house and yell out there at his wife, say, "Can Harry come out and play?"
Oh.
I go to Seligman for lying.
My wife watches this video. You may have to go farther than that.
Well, I'm not cutting that out. That's what you're saying.
Oh, God, I wouldn't. It's your video. You do what you want.
That's
there.
right. It's staying in there. Old Blake or Kevin would do something one time once in a while, and they'd be like, "You gonna cut that out?" And I'm like, "Heck no, I'm not cutting that out."
That's the best part.
If you don't want it in the video, don't do it. Unless their language was a little stupid, then I might cut it, but...
Yeah, I have a tendency sometimes to watch my extempore, voice. It's usually only when I get shook up.
Boy, it's nice out here in these pines.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Weather's just right.
This is beautiful. I could live with this year round. I mean, our winters, here it is, I think, right here. Yeah. Our winters ain't too horribly bad, really.
No.
I mean, they could be a whole lot worse. We just get a little bit of snow and a few cold days, really, if you add it all up.
It's pretty temperate, pretty mild here.
Yeah.
It don't stay long when it comes.
Right.
If snow stays on a week, it's an exception.
Right. That's one of the biggest things is if we do get it, it's gone really quick.
Yep. What's the matter?
I don't know. I was just thinking, is this the right road? We'll just see. Keep on going.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, it's the right road because I've never been on it. So
Yeah, that's good enough anyway, really.
yeah,
Doesn't matter.
it's a new road.
Yeah. They're all good. That's what I was saying in one of my videos. Even like when I turn on the roads that are dead ends, it's still actually pretty good just to go down to all the dead ends and...
There's another one going off that way, probably a campsite.
Probably. Yep. Wouldn't doubt it. That's why I got a 300 so I can keep up with Harry. I had my 250. I actually couldn't do it.
Well, you're going to have to wear the paint off that thing one of these days. Hear it back.
That's one thing about this bike here. There ain't no dead spot. It's got it all the way through the power. The 250, and I think it was just my bike because most people said theirs didn't have it, and I rode yours, that one you're riding now, and it never had it.
No,
Mine had just had a dead spot where it just kind of doggy.
Now mine never did have that.
About the mid-range, and it always been that way. So this one here, it's got power all the way through. Sometimes you get one, and I'm sure every one you get's gonna be tuned a little bit different.
Yep,
They put them on a dyno and probably try to tune them all the same, but don't work out.
Nope. There's always a little bit of different something.
Yeah, I remember when you got yours, I just wanted to ride yours to see if yours had that dead spot like mine.
Yep.
Because the first one I had, my 2014, it didn't have it. This is a good road.
Yeah, have you been on this? Do you recall?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Does it come out or is it dead end?
If it's the one I'm thinking of, it goes to the lake, but I'm not sure if it is the one I'm thinking of. It goes to dead ends, but at the lake.
Okay. Yeah.
I've been on all of them, but it's
actually in pretty good shape.
Couple years probably.
Uh-oh, tree down.
Jump it.
I think I can get through.
No, I'm serious. If you'll jump it, I'll video it, buddy. Just hit it head on.
Here we go.
I don't understand why you don't ever listen to me, Harry.
Because I'm still alive.
Oh, that's right.
It'd be questionable if I listened to you.
You just want to continue that way, I
That's
guess.
right. I'm old and I want to keep living.
Now, see, old Blake might have done that.
Well, yeah.
He just,
too bad Blake don't get him another motorcycle.
I know. He's just a little more exciting than you are. Probably has to do with being the third to age.
Yeah, no kidding.
I was a little more excited when I was that young, too.
Yeah. It takes me longer to heal up from them, oh shit, hold my beer and watch this.
He keeps saying he's going to get another one, but I don't see it. I mean, he ain't done it yet. I hope he does.
Oh, he's still young. He'll get one sometime.
Yeah.
He'll probably get a crotch rocket, though.
Yeah, I'm afraid he's more into that than he is a DUALSPORT, probably.
Most young boys are.
Mm-hmm. Into that speed. I've been there. I got burned out on that. I'm more into a good time that's safe, or safer. Heck, ain't nothing safe.
No, you take your chances when you get out of bed.
My gosh, you could listen to our president, that'd cause mental problems. I mean, ain't nothing safe in this world.
That's true. I'm not going to make any political statements on your video because I got you in trouble once already.
Oh yeah, I remember the flag.
Yeah, I'm not saying a word anymore.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Anyway, yeah. You dang troublemaker.
Yep, that's me.
Boy, this is a good road. I don't remember for sure.
Let's see, you can whip around that tree there real fast.
Look at that. That's a camp spot right there, buddy. Good one with a view. See that view?
Yeah.
There's a lookout right there.
Ain't very big.
We don't need big when you're on the DUALSPORTs. Yeah, this is going to be the lake spot. This is a good one. This is a good spot to come fishing.
Well, I wished I was a fisherman.
I like it. I enjoy it. I think me and Sherry both have, but we're going to do more this summer. We're going to do some moto camping. We got the hammocks, and then we got those fishing poles to fit on here and all the stuff. So we're going to do some camping and fishing on the bikes.
Did you ever put your saddlebags back on the 300?
It's not right now, but I got them ready. I'll just throw them on. Yep. I don't actually put them under the seat now. I just lay them over the seat.
Lay them over the back?
Yeah, and she's got a cushion that she uses back here, so it just sits right over the straps and easy to take them on and off.
That's going to be one of my next purchases. I'm looking for a set of semi-soft saddlebags for my 500.
I like those. Now, they're not big.
No, I don't need big.
But they're big enough.
Yeah. Well, I've looked at those that you've got, and I've also looked at the Shad, S-H-A-D.
Never heard of that. I fished with them before.
Yeah. These are made in Spain.
Good bait.
Yep. If you can catch them.
Yeah. I've used shad net before. I've caught a lot of them.
You got to cut them.
Yep. Oh yeah. This is some good riding through here. Ain't seen no cars down here yet.
Nope, I haven't seen it. There's not many car tracks where they've been. There's some right here where it's damp, but not many.
I swear I heard some motor besides yours, like a four-wheeler sound. Maybe not.
Now that's possible down here.
You may have been pulling in a clutch and revving it to the moon.
Yeah.
Trying to rev bomb me.
I was red bombing you.
Yeah. Show off. You can do that when you're in front.
Show off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll be on the video. At least I hope it's recording. That sucks when you get somewhere and you've done a lot. And
Don't know what you...
Yeah, and it ain't recording. Oh no. There's no house place to the left here.
You could pull off mine here. I'm recording you right now on the back camera.
Oh yeah, you got that on there, didn't you?
Yeah.
We put that on, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you sold it to me.
I forgot about that.
Yeah. I never do anything with it.
I was with mine. I've never actually took the videos off of it.
I have. When I first got it, I took 2 or 3 off. I've done
Yeah.
some. The wife followed me in the Miata and stuff.
Yep. It's just a thing for if
Wrecks.
there's something that happens or
Yep.
somebody crashes in front of you or you get in a wreck,
Yep.
then it's some pretty good insurance to have. Okay, I had to check to see if I was recording. I am.
Good. Yep, the lake's coming up. I can see it.
Yep, there it is. Table Rock Lake, Southwest Missouri. A right turn here, because left, I don't think, yeah, that gate's always closed. What the world? Idiot alert. Look at all the freaking trash out there. I'm trying to be cool on the video, but it makes me mad, so I have to shut up sometimes and go on. Oh, look at there. Them
Yep.
ducks. Okay, you park right there.
There's an eagle took off right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you lose some toilet paper?
Nope, didn't bring any. I don't know where mine's going to sit here. Nope.
You may have to pull up a little bit till you get up on that bump. When you get up on the bump, there you go. Now you'll lean. Now lean it.
Come on.
No, you're going too far now. You was up on the bumps where you needed to be.
Yep.
It's got there.
It don't feel like it.
Yeah, you got it.
There we go. Now it will.
Yeah, this is not a bad spot.
Be shady in the summertime.
Yeah, it's a good spot. It's not. Last time I was here, it was actually you could walk right across right here, and walk that whole bank down on the, not up on that. So it's way up.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we're on our way out of here. I kind of messed up my recording, so.
Oh.
Anyway, Harry's trying to
Got
hurt me with a stick.
A stick whacked me pretty damn good.
I've had them hit me in the foot pretty hard before.
That got me in the thigh.
What I hate, you may have never done, I don't know if you've ever woods rode on a dirt bike, but I've been woods riding before and hook a piece of barbed wire around your foot.
No, I've not done that.
Yeah, when you're hauling through the woods.
That wouldn't be good if you was just going slow.
Well, the good thing is I had riding boots on. If you'd had tennis shoes on, it probably tore your stinking foot off.
Huh.
No, it was bad. So, yeah, and every time we'd see anything like that around any of our trails, we'd stop and break it and
Cut it out.
Get it rid of it, yeah, because somebody's going to get hurt. There used to be old barbed wire fences in a lot of places.
Oh, yeah. Still are in a lot of places. They're pretty rusty, but they're still there.
Right. Well, at least we're not right into the sun this way.
I like that. That one corner back there got me. I couldn't see a thing.
Yeah, Harry about to commit Harry Carey. You about to run off the road back there.
Oh, was I?
Well, when you seen that when the sun was in your eyes.
Yeah, I couldn't. Yeah. I couldn't tell whether it was on the road or if there even was a road.
Yeah, no, I didn't laugh either.
That's all right.
They wasn't laughing at you. I have respect.
I'll leave it at that.
So yeah, we'll have to come down sometime, and there's a bunch of other roads. Here you're gonna jump this log again.
I'm gonna see if I can't miss it.
Well, you dang sure wouldn't want to clip it.
No, hit your foot peg on it.
I don't know if anybody's been through in a vehicle, because it don't look like anybody's been going over it.
Nope, unless it just fell.
It could have too.
Here's one that's going to one of these days.
I'd say surely there's been some vehicles down here, so it probably just fell. At least it didn't fall. When you imagine falling when you're riding by there?
It'd be my luck.
Oh my.
I couldn't win a lottery ticket, but I could win that one.
Yeah. I'd have to get a claim on your insurance because of the trauma it caused me seeing it, you know.
Hey, you couldn't go to work for probably 6 months.
I don't know, but I'd have a good video.
Get some more subscribers.
It's all about the video, Harry.
Oh. I hit too many gears there.
Too high. I'm in third right now.
Yep.
You're probably in sixth.
I have no idea.
Oh, that's right. You don't have indicator.
Nope.
I'm that way, seriously. When I had the bike, the 250L, and it didn't have a gear, I had no idea most of the time, unless I just started out and I'm in first,
yep.
Or if I get in high gear and I pull up, well, I know I'm in sixth. But otherwise, I don't never know what gear I was in.
I lose track on these, you know, like this down here.
And like I say, I didn't care because it was the gear I wanted to be in at the time.
Yeah.
So
as long as the engine's still pulling, I don't care.
I know what I want, or how it should feel, so
yeah,
didn't worry about it. Alright guys, going to end this video. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, check out the link for my Amazon store below. Catch you on the next one. Right on.